Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with the essentials. Make sure your Samsung is updated and the SIM is active, because call diversion relies on network support. Once done, open the phone app and tap the three-dot menu, then choose Settings. From Settings, go to Supplementary Services or Call Forwarding. This is where operators expose the When Unreachable option. You need to be in this menu to change the behavior when the phone is off, out of coverage, or unregistered with the network. You now configure the actual diversion. Tap Call Forwarding and choose When Unreachable. The phone will query the network for current settings, so give it a moment. Enter the forwarding number, or pick your operator voicemail if you want calls sent there, and toggle Enable to set it. Make sure to confirm any pop-up or SMS from the carrier. This confirms activation. If you change your mind later, return to the same menu and disable, or update the number to restore. Finish by verifying the setup. Power off the phone or enable airplane mode, then call your Samsung number from another line to confirm it rings at the forwarded destination. If the call still reaches voicemail or fails, restart the phone and recheck SIM seating. Also confirm with your carrier that Divert When Unreachable is supported on your plan. If persistent problems remain, reset network settings as a last resort. Make sure you save Wi-Fi passwords first, because resetting clears them.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.